Unveiling the Sly Secrets of Sly Boots. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, Sly Boots. If you've ever stumbled upon this quirky expression and wondered what it's all about, you're in the right place. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty of being a Sly Boots. The term Sly Boots is a rather old-fashioned, playful idiom in English. It describes someone who is cunning or deceptively clever. Interestingly, it's not usually used in a harsh or negative way, but rather to denote someone who is clever in a slightly mischievous manner. It's as if they're wearing boots that silently tread, allowing them to be sneaky in a charming or harmless way. Delving into the past, Sly Boots is believed to have originated in the 17th century. While we can't pinpoint the exact moment it stepped into the English language, it's clear that the phrase combines sly, which means having or showing a cunning and deceitful nature, with boots, which may suggest a kind of disguise or hidden intention, as boots can conceal the feet and lower legs. Let's put Sly Boots into action. Here are some examples. You managed to get an extra piece of cake without anyone noticing. You Sly Boots. He's a Sly Boots, always finding clever ways to dodge chores. When she winked after hiding the surprise gift, I knew she was being a Sly Boots. Notice how in each instance, the phrase is used to describe someone acting with a bit of sneakiness, but without serious harm or malintent. Understanding the nuances of this phrase is key for non-native speakers. Sly Boots carries a light-hearted tone and is often used in a jesting or affectionate manner. It's not a phrase you'd likely encounter in formal settings, but rather among friends or family in casual conversation. While primarily used in informal settings, Sly Boots can occasionally appear in literature or media to add a touch of character or to convey a playful cunningness of an individual. It's less common in modern vernacular, but understanding it can provide a richer appreciation of English literary works that span centuries. And there we have it, the intriguing tale of the Sly Boots. Hopefully, you found this exploration into the phrase both enlightening and entertaining. Remember, language is not just a tool for communication, but also a window into culture and history. Keep an eye out for those Sly Boots in your life, and perhaps wear your own pair when the occasion calls for a touch of playful cleverness. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next language adventure.